Hello student, welcome to your own channel Learning Light where you can learn science very easily. In the last video we discussed about the filling of the electron in different orbitals and now we fill electron in different orbitals. This process is called electronic configuration. Here we discuss what is electronic configuration and how electrons are filled in different orbitals. First is here the definition of electronic configuration. It is the distribution of electron into orbitals of an atom. The process of distribution of the electrons into orbitals of an atom is known as electronic configuration. Okay students, in the last video we discussed about the Aufbau principle. First we draw the Aufbau table here in increasing order of energy. First shell 1s, then 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d and so on. Lower energy shell 1s, then 2s, then this, and after that 3p, 4s, after that 3d, 4p, 5s, then 4d, 5p and then 4f, 5d. By this you can clearly understand that which orbital we can have filled first. Lower energy orbital student. Okay. Now here we write the electronic configuration of 1 to 30 elements. You can easily learn how we fill the electron in the different orbitals 1 to 30. I think you must remember the name of the elements because you learn name of the elements in your junior classes also. So start from here. Hydrogen 1, it means 1s1. Helium 2, 2 electrons. Lithium 3, it means 1s2 and then second is 2s1. Beryllium, fourth element, 1s2, 2s2. Boron, fifth element, 1s2, 2s2, 2o2 4 and last one enter in the p orbital. Sixth is our carbon. Seventh is our nitrogen. Eighth is our oxygen. 2p4. You must remember that 2p4 means first we fill the orbitals with the singly occupied, single spin, then pairing done. Ninth is our fluorine. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5 and 10th is our neon. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Okay student, now move on. 11th. 11th is our sodium. Sodium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 10 and next one is enter into the third subshell. We can write it as also neon. नियॉन में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स थे 10, तो हम यहाँ पर नियॉन लिख सकते हैं और सोडियम के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन और चाहिए, तो हम यहाँ पर नियॉन मेंशन कर देंगे और साथ में लिख देंगे कि 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन एंटर्स इन द थर्ड सबशेल. मैग्नीशियम 12, सेम, नियॉन 3s2. 13 is our aluminium. 14 is silicon. 15 is phosphorus, 16 is sulfur, 17 is chlorine, 18 is argon, 19 is potassium, and 20th is our calcium. First we write the name of the elements. Mention their atomic number. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now we write the electronic configuration, means distribution of electron in different elements. For aluminium, 10 to 12, and after 3s student electron enter into, after 3s it enters into 3p1. For silicon, 10 to 12 and to 14. For phosphorus, for sulfur, for chlorine, and for argon, 3s2 3p6. Completely filled, it means it is an inert gas similar to neon. For potassium, अब पोटेशियम में हमारे पास क्या है 19, तो हम आर्गन का 18 ले सकते हैं, तो यहाँ पर हम नियोन की जगह क्या मेंशन कर देंगे, आर्गन 18. नेक्स्ट एंटर इनटू 4s1, 18 plus 1 19, that is for potassium. Next is our calcium. कैल्शियम को भी हम ऐसे ही लिख सकते हैं, आर्गन 18 and 2 20. Next is our scandium. For scandium student, similar we write 18 to 20, and after 4s our electron enters into 3d. 18 and to 21, 18 and to 20 and to 22, 18 and to 20, 23. For chromium, and student copper, two cases are here which are exceptional cases in chromium. Argon 18, 4s1 and 3d 5. This is exceptional case. Next is our manganese. For manganese, 18 and 2 20 and 5 25, 18 and 2 20 and 6 26, 18 to 20 and 7. $18 and to 28, and copper is also our exceptional case student. 18, 4s1 and 3d 10. Last is our zinc. 18 and to 20 and 10 30. So in this way you can fill the electrons in the different orbitals in the different elements. Next question arises here. What about the stability? How electronic configuration depend for the stability of completely filled and half filled subshells? Stability of completely filled and half filled subshells. First is symmetrical distribution. Symmetrical distribution of electrons. Student, if electrons are symmetrically distributed, then it increases the attraction towards the nucleus, which decrease our shielding effect. What is the shielding effect, student? It increase attraction toward nucleus and decrease shielding effect. When it increase the attraction toward nucleus and decrease the shielding effect, our subshells become stable. Now a question arises in your mind that what is the shielding? So student, shielding means due to the presence of electrons in the inner shell, the electrons in the outer shell will not experience full positive charge on the nucleus. Will be lower due to the screening of inner electrons. It means the inner electrons reduces attraction of outer electrons toward nucleus. This process is known as shielding, and when shielding decreases, our subshells become stable. Next is our exchange energy. Exchange energy. It also tells us about the stability of completely filled and partially filled subshell. Exchange energy means electrons with same energy. Electrons with same spin in degenerate orbitals exchange with each other so that they have same electron, and it increases our stability. So these are the two principles how electronic configuration helps in increasing stability. The first one is our symmetrical distribution of electron. By symmetrical distribution, the shielding gets reduced, and after decreasing of the shielding, our subshells become stable. And second is exchange energy. It means electrons जो degenerate orbitals में हैं वो अपनी एनर्जी को एक्सचेंज करेंगे, जिससे हमारी सबशेल्स क्या हो जाएंगी, सिमिट्रिकल हो जाएंगी और वो स्टेबल हो जाएंगी. Okay students, in this video we discuss about what is electronic configuration and how electrons are filled in the different orbitals in different elements. I hope you can understand the filling of the orbitals with electron by this electronic configuration method easily. You can try different elements and try to fill it your own. and I assure you that you can do it. If you like my video, then please share, like and subscribe my channel so that you get the notification for further videos. Thank you.